In today's HealthCast, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration is warning women of an ingredient that may cause a miscarriage or even harm a baby's development. It is called Vinpocetine, and it's a man-made chemical, but it's derived from the periwinkle plant. It's used in a number of over-the-counter dietary supplements sold in the U.S. in vitamin stores. The supplement promotes things like memory boosting as well as weight loss, but now this new animal study found that even small doses of this herb are linked to miscarriages and birth defects. Very frightening there. And you may want to have a conversation with your dentist about this next study. Researchers find that dentists tend to be a bit over-eager when it comes to prescribing antibiotics. The study found that antibiotics prescribed to prevent infection were not necessary more than 80% of the time. They're recommended to patients who have certain heart conditions to prevent bacteria in the mouth from infecting the heart, but antibiotics can cause some other serious side effects as well.